Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video from the Photoshop series, we are going to see how to separate a word into its letters using actions, because this is a long operation and we're going to apply effects to each letter, so we'll be using actions to see how the action can automate our steps in easy way. So as you know, weekly we are making new videos, so effective make the bell sign effective after your subscription to our channel, so you can receive our newest tricks as they are released. Without any further, let me go directly to Photoshop. We'll start on this background. We'll start by writing our text anywhere here, then we will center it after that. So we'll be writing simple ways, Control Enter, then we will select it. You can increase its height, okay, its width a little bit if you like, and then press Enter. After that, you can go here, make sure that you are selecting the canvas, and then you center your text in the middle of the canvas. Okay, after that I'm going to duplicate this layer, so I'll be working on the copy layer. Okay, I'm going to hide my original layer, then I'm going to make some selection that will be work as my mask. It will be above this one, and then Control G, I'll make, okay, be on the correct layer, then Control G. Now I had created my mask. Okay, after that I'll go a little bit closer, Control Alt plus, okay, and I'll start making the actions on the first letter, and then I'll be recording it as steps of action. So I'll be using the Object Orient selection tool. You can see it had done a great selection from the first. Okay, after that I will start to record my automation. I have a group here called test2, which is an empty group. You can create another group if you like. I can make it test3. Okay, and inside test3 I will add an action. I will call it, keep it as action1. The record, it started recording. Now from this selection I will make Control G. Okay, I need to rasterize the letter first, so Alt L, Z, L. Then this layer is rasterized. Then Control G. I had created a new layer from the letter S. Then I will bring it down above my mask. Okay, I will call it S, or I will call it letter. Okay, so this one is recorded. After that I will go to the layer 1. I will duplicate it. I will bring the duplicate above my letter. I'll create a clipping mask, and after that I will go here to my letter, and I will apply some bevel and emboss effect. Okay, and then I will hide this layer to see the final effect, and I will turn it back to continue my action, and I will stop the actions for here. Let us see if we now returned again to this layer and we repeated the action for the second letter, it will do the same actions or not. I need to refine it a little bit here. Okay, looks nice. Now let us see if we can run action 1 again and it will give the same effect or not. Now you can see we have done a great job. Okay, we repeated for all the letters. I will show you the next letter, and then I will do it in a fast way, so you don't need to wait all this time. even it is automated. If you need to do it fast, I will show you how to make it faster. So I'll select the second layer, the second letter. Okay, it has done a great selection. I will go again to action 1 and run it. Okay, that's why, because I was not on the correct layer. So I'll be here, and then I'll go again to, and I will start. Now it has done. It's ready for me to start the next action. Maybe it's doing slowly because I put time delay 2 seconds for every step, so you can see the actions. I can change it from here. Playback options. I'm having timing. I can make it accelerated. Okay. And then I need to be on the correct layer, this one, and I will go for the second, for the selections after that. And then play. You can see it's done in a glimpse, as they say. I need to turn again to, I can, why not, if I here I add, okay, I made a selection, I added a selection here, so it's returning again every time in the correct position. Okay, I go back to action 1, and then while I'm on the correct layer, I will make the new selection, and then let me run it. Okay, you can see in a glimpse it's done, and I'm on the correct layer. I will go to this letter. Now you can see that we have done all the layers in a correct way. If you like to separate some letters from here, for example, I will hide this one, and then you can go to, okay, you can select this one, for example. I need to move it a little bit to the side, this one, for example. That just, now you have all the layers are separated. After that, simply you can go here and we'll go to window, timeline. I will create a video timeline. Okay, and you can start adding for each one timing. We will see it by one letter, by one of the letters, and then you can come after that to each one. So we'll start with the S one, with the S layer. Okay, you expand it. So at the beginning we'll begin for them all without an opacity. I'll make the opacity 0. Okay, I'll record the opacity as 0 here. Let's say after 15 or 1 second I will change to 100% opacity. Okay, after that I go to the second letter. Okay, let me play the movie from the beginning. Okay, if we go back a little bit, you can see it even better. Thank you so far. I hope now you had learned a lot of valuable information that you are able to use it in your coming project. Join our channel, subscribe, make effective the bell so you can receive our videos as they are released. Thank you very much.